Hi, Dr. Jason. How are you?
Great, Connie. How are you today?
I'm doing awesome. I just want to first of all say thank you so much. I know that Champaign Pediatric Dentistry, Champaign Family Dentistry, you guys are, I can't even imagine the backup of appointments that are going on right now, but I just greatly appreciate you taking the time. One of the things that I have really been focusing on during all of this has been community helping community. And you are absolutely a dental practice that has been doing this not just during COVID-19, but you have been in this area for over 40 years and you've been committed to this community for so long. And we're just so thankful for all of the work that you put into this community and everything you do outside of your dental practice to support the Reno-Sparks area.
Oh, well, thank you. That means we love it. Reno-Sparks, our home, and we'll be for an awfully long time going forward. And we love being a part of this community. So thank you so much for those kind words. Appreciate that.
Well, when all of this chaos ensued, you really thought that it was time for you to once again reach out to the community. Can you talk to us a little bit about your recent family membership giveaway that you put together and why you decided that this was so important to do?
Well, like like many other families, there's so many families in our community and so many around the world here that have been affected by this COVID-19, pandemic. Economically, to say the least. And, of course, when people get affected economically, not only does it affect their pocketbooks as far as what they're spending their money on day to day, but quite often, if they're out of work, they're going to be losing health benefits. And dental is quite often one of the first ones that might kind of go away when a company has to kind of make some cutbacks or make some changes to their employees' benefit packages. So we have offered this family membership plan for many, many years for those that may not be able to receive traditional dental benefits through their employer, maybe are retired and have different, different needs and different situations. But we saw that this was an opportunity to, maybe fill a gap for some, for a family that was really struggling, that might have been, struggling with the benefits and having some issues with this pandemic. So I feel we felt this plan was going to do a great job to, kind of help a family out.
Well, I know that during this, it's not only a financial hardship to many, but when you're losing your dental insurance, you often wonder about the health of your family. And I love that you guys have family memberships, like you said, long before COVID, that were available to those individuals. Why is it so important to keep up on your routine dental care, even in the midst of all of this?
Well, kind of like so many other things, if we, when you neglect or you're not able to put in the little bits, kind of the building blocks and the preventative measures, those, reactive measures that often follow that typically are a lot more expensive, a lot more involved, and unfortunately a lot more uncomfortable than, following up on the preventative features. So we've always been advocates of focusing on prevention and trying to minimize our reaction. I've seen it in 20 plus years of practicing that those that stay committed to prevention usually don't have to spend nearly as much time visiting us for those less than desirable dental appointments that we unfortunately are able to provide. So.
Well, and I've always heard too, your mouth is, it's the key to your organs, to everything that's vital within you. And it's so important to keep that healthy. And I just want to also commend you. My daughter's story has been going to Champaign Pediatric Dentistry since, before I think she even had teeth. We brought her in and just recently did a checkup with her and was just blown away by all of the safety measures that you have taken. I mean, it is nerve-wracking as a parent. You want to keep up that safety for your child, but at the same time, you're, trying to make sure you're doing the right thing. And I just felt 100% safe. Everything from waiting in the car to have you come and get us, the temperature checks, filling out all the paperwork beforehand. I know as a parent, you really just gave me an incredible sense of ease. So I just wanted to say thank you again for that, because as a parent, you want to do the right thing for your child. And oftentimes it can, especially right now, seem a little scary, but it was an amazing experience for her. She felt very, very safe. And I think it brought her a little sense of normalcy, quite honestly.
Yeah, that's funny you say that. We we're hearing that a lot with families when they're coming in, because of all this craziness, and there's with not getting out into the world as much as we were pre-COVID, and it's I think people are looking to the dental visits and some of their routine things that maybe they would have kind of been a little less than excited to go to pre-COVID. It's an opportunity, just as you said, to kind of get back to normal a little bit. But yeah, we're like so many other businesses that that really want to, we want to keep first and foremost, we want to keep our patients and our staff safe. But also we want to be able to maintain and get back to work. And so we are committed to making sure that we're doing everything possible to keep everybody safe and learning as we go, because as we've seen in this, each day something new kind of changes, and what we did yesterday may not be exactly what we're doing today. And so we're trying to be nimble and trying to stay up on what's going on. But for the most part, it's about keeping distance. So obviously our waiting room, as you said, our waiting room is no longer in service right now. We're doing it all virtually from the car, but we have a very effective texting service that allows patients to be able to fill out forms that prior to coming in, sign them on their phone, let us know that everything is on the up and up. We let you know when we're ready to come in. We'll greet you at the door, take a temperature. We're also taking temperatures of our staff every day, confirm, and everybody's kind of completing a wellness check every morning to make sure that we're not bringing anything in, hopefully from the outside ourselves. And, in our business, we are lucky. We've been doing this, we've been doing infection control for years. So to add some of these little things, from a social distancing, we're new, but as far as wearing gloves and wearing masks and wiping down rooms, and it's what we've been doing for years. And so I can confidently say that we are as safe as any other business that's out there, if not more. And this is right in our wheelhouse, and we're very comfortable with continuing to maintain these standards.
Well, we are about ready to give away your big prize, which was that family dental membership. But before we do that, I just wanted to encourage people, these memberships are available to anyone. That if you don't have dental health insurance, they're at an affordable rate. They're very easy. You can get online. You can go to champagnedental.com. You just go to the no insurance tab. Very simple. And these are open to the public. So if you don't have dental insurance, this is an option.
Great. Absolutely. And we have many patients kind of find us through this option, because, like I said, we're trying to find ways to make it a little more, to get people to, stay on top of the prevention. That's really the key. Too many times when people lose their benefits, and, typically in the benefits package for dental insurance, that's what kind of drives people to come in and get their cleanings. And then once they lose them, they back off on those. And we're here to kind of remind you that, we want to provide a convenient and a more effective way for you to get those preventative visits, and hopefully keep you from having to utilize the discount that we do provide for the restorative. But it is there if we do end up having to, and needing to to get some things taken care of. However, our goal is to try to keep things as healthy as possible and minimize your visits with us.
And I would say, too, extremely affordable. When you look at Champagne's family membership plan, you provide essential dental services for adults and children. Normally, a family plan is available right around $29 a month, which is extremely affordable. That's per month for children up to the age of 12, and then $39 a month for parents, and then kids 13 and older. So very affordable plans for you to set up. So I highly recommend it. I can't say enough about your dental practice, and I think it's time that we give away your membership. And Luis is here on the phone with us. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Thank you so much, and congratulations. We are so excited for this. Were you a little bit shocked when you got this?
Well, honestly, my wife is the one that signed us up, and honestly, quite frankly, I didn't know that such membership existed. So I think it's a great benefit to be added.
Well, congratulations. You and your family are going to enjoy a family membership for an entire year, all courtesy of Champagne Family Dental. And I can tell you right now, you're in wonderful hands. They have been my daughter's dentist for 10 years now, and she's just couldn't be happier. So, Luis, congratulations, and thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Luis. We look forward to meeting you and the family.
Yeah, you guys have been taking great care of my daughter and my wife and myself, so we'll So definitely
Good.
keep being patient with you guys.
Awesome. Thank you guys so very much. We're just so excited for this amazing experience. And thank you again to Champaign Family Dental. Again, it's all about community, helping community. And we couldn't do it without such great partners like Champaign Family Dentistry and Champaign Pediatric Dentistry. And again, if you want to find out more information, you can check out their website. We've got a link below. And thank you again to Dr. Jason and Luis. Congratulations to everyone. It's been amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Guy. Appreciate your time today. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Luis. Congratulations.
Thanks,
Enjoy. And thank you so much, Dr. Jason. Have a great day. And thank you to your amazing staff. And for, again, it's just all about community, helping community. And we couldn't thank you enough.
Great. Well, thank you for your time today. And thanks for all that you're doing as well. Have a great day.
All right. Stay safe. Thank you so much.
Take care. Bye-bye.